Hey there, fellow female activists, and possibly the 90 million who did not vote. Cathy is here, and this is another extra. So, I wanted to let you know that just as the thumbnail says, we want to organize to stay sane. Now, when I mean organize, I'm not talking about what we literally are participating in daily to save, or rather to to stop fascism. I'm actually talking about the organizing your physical stuff, actually. And I'm a wellness coach, okay? So I'm also a fellow female activist, correct? But I understand how important it is to have a regulated nervous system, especially right now. We went through pandemic, and unfortunately, there's still a lot of trauma that has not been unpacked. And then we get 4 years of somewhat reprieve, right? And then we're back to insanity. And not just insanity. We all know, those of us who are in the movement, that this is like existential death or life, right? Life or death. And so I'm coming to you to let you know that on obviously this is September 22nd is the autumn equinox, and that means that fall is coming. And so I want to invite you to participate in what will be a 5-week group program where I will teach you the very famous Konmari method of organizing and how it can help you, okay, not just organize your personal and possibly professional spaces, but actually like all over, like the Konmari effect, as we call it. It's quite profound, and it breeds intentionality in such a way that you not only will find money, I promise you, you will find money during that process, i.e., because it's been, when you're finding it in your clothes, when you're finding it as you're going through, other parts of your possessions. But you will literally then save time, which then also, right, means that you're going to save more money, but it will put you in a place of better intentionality overall. Whatever ends up staying in your space, right? Personal and or professional, it will support you. Okay. And with that said, anything that's possibly going to come into your space is going to be highly, I guess you could call it regulated, right? It's going to be scrutinized quite a bit. And that's what we want. We want to be very intentional about what we bring into our personal space, because everything, okay, right, that has substance is matter, and matter is energy. We want our energy to be uplifted naturally, and we can create on-demand energy if we have what's around us that's bringing us joy, that's helping us, serving us, right? Not taking our energy down. So I'm interviewing anyone who wants to participate. Yes, there is an investment because this is definitely not free. um, this is something that you will use for a lifetime. Okay, so the investment is absolutely on point, but maybe your organization might want to take part. Maybe you'll get, people to join in with you, right? But it's a group setting, meaning that this is all virtual and it's a group setting, and we'll meet, once a week for live lessons, and then we'll even have office hours. Okay, so you can come to office hours on Zoom when we're not in our lessons. But the best part is that you'll be going along, hopefully, with the group, right? Whoever signs up. We start September 23rd, I believe it is, and it's for 5 weeks. And again, I'm taking interviews, or I'm interviewing, and the interviews end on September 19th, and then the program starts that following Tuesday. So, with that said, you can schedule an interview, and the link is below. And I'd love to get to know you and hope to see you soon. Organizing again seems very not important, but I can assure you that right now, when what we're dealing with is so chaotic, when we can create more ease, right? Ease and flow in every part of our life, to include our physical and professional spaces, it brings us not just joy, but it brings us a reprieve. It helps keep the chaos out because we have focus, we have productivity, we have calm in our surroundings. And I want that for you, especially right now. So go ahead, schedule an interview with me, and we'll see if we're a good fit, and we'll take it from there. So I look forward to talking to anyone. And for now, take care, take charge. God bless.